आज हम सीखेंगे बेसिक डिफरेंसेस बिटवीन टू OS guidelines. First guidelines is called as a USFDA guidelines and another guidelines is called as a MHRA guidelines. The USFDA guidelines was first published in October 2006 and after 7 years in August 2013 MHRA guidelines was published. As per USFDA guidelines, there is a two part of the investigation. First one is a part 1 and second is a part 2. As per MHRA, the investigation is to be done in a three phases, that is phase 1, phase 2 and phase 3 investigation. As per USFDA, there is a no any sub part in a phase 1 investigation. However, as per MHRA guideline, the phase 1 investigation is subdivided into part 1A and part 1B. The part 1A of the MHRA guidelines include the Gamba walk, and generally it's related with your identification of the obvious error. If you didn't get any obvious error, then you have to perform the hypothesis. The hypothesis parts comes under 1B of the MHRA guidelines. The one terminology I have said, that is a Gamba walk. The Gamba walk is a Japanese terminology which is generally used during the criminal cases, means the place where the criminal activity was happened and the investigation done by the investigator, this comes under Gamba walk. So the OS investigation of the USFDA is not only talks about the pharmaceutical OSs, that's a physicochemical analysis, but it also covers about the outlier results. But as per MHRA has a wide range of investigation thoughts. Means MHRA not only include the OS and outlier investigation, but it also covers OT and atypical results. Along with that, there is a thorough procedure mentioned in MHRA guidelines for microbial OS. However, it is not mentioned in FDA guidelines. The USFDA guidelines was first published in October 2006 and its revision was received in May 2022. The MHRA guidelines was as published in August 2013 and its revision was published in February 2018. In a USFDA investigation, there is no any criteria of 95% interval level. However, there is a 95% confidence limit in a MHRA investigation.